Anyway, I don't know what this video is. So I just got this weird shirt. It's like kind of a dress. It's like kind of long. And like, there's this killer guy outside. I don't know if he stole the other guy's car. So I just thought, cause I got these earrings and like a necklace to match. And I was like, what if I can do like a weird
video, like weird style video, weird red dress makeup video, I don't know. I forgot my microphone!
So yeah, I also got this thing. Look at it. Let's get started with the makeup. So first I'm gonna put stuff. Ew, it stinks. So if your hair is so annoying in the way, then just put this on. So after, when you are done your face, then you want to do stuff. Oh! So after, when you do that, then use this brush and go like this. Did it work? I've made lines, and now I'm going to blend it with this brush. Why does this think I washed this? Then you want to put some blush, and then just stick at the top here. There. Okay, so I just looked in the mirror and like these lines are here, so I found this thing that says cover anything. Let's see. Okay! Oh, what the heck? It's not even blended. Okay, so I am done this part. I mean, except my lips. So next what I'm going to do is do my eyes. So what color I'm going to pick is like any red. I'm going to pick this dark red one. Let's see what it looks like. I'm gonna use this brush to blend because it's so easier. Can you hear him? I can't see with one eye, so yeah. So I'm gonna use... I wiped my finger on the dress and now it's hairy. But look, the brushes are like so thick and like it's hard to like blend, it's not soft. So then you put it on like this. Kind of starts here and then goes out. Okay, so I think I'm done for this eye. Look at it. I'm just gonna do this with my eyes closed because it's so easier because my eye is not wrinkly. I think I fixed it. So yeah, I made it kind of lighter a little. So next we're going to do eyeliner. Okay, so here's when I wrecked the whole thing. So I'm gonna put the eyeliner. I have this pen. It has two sides, spiky and not spiky. So yeah, time to dye. When did I just write on my head? What? So I did it. As you can see, it's so ugly. So let's put mascara on. Okay, look, I'm done. Also, I forgot to do eyebrows, so I'm gonna try and do it. Look. The heck? This is too brown or something. And now for the final thing. I found this. It's like a weird thing. Skeleton thing. This doesn't match. And now for the last stuff. The necklace. And then the earrings. Oh wait, I forgot this. And... hello. Earrings, necklace, and everything red. Wow. I also have a crown, let's see. Ooh. So yeah, I guess that was it for this weird video. I don't know what this was. I guess that is it. Bye. Tell me what other things you want. Bye.